Hi, R Plus Marketing Group. I'm Jamie Bedell here, and I'm just going to do a really quick run through on using Google Classroom to do your programs and group classes live with your students in this distance world right now. Google Classroom is super simple. It's nothing fancy, but it's free and it's quick and it's easy to get set up and start providing content to your users right away. So what I would recommend having here is making sure that you're signed into Google Classroom with your business email address and having a outline of what you want to teach. So I'm sure that all of us have lesson plans or group class outlines of the things that we teach week by week. And so making sure that we have any handouts together that we want and a really good idea of how things should progress from when they start to the end of things. And then if you have you'll want to have YouTube videos set up, unlisted, so that you can embed them so that they can view what's going on here. So this is the Google Classroom page. You can just go to classroom.google.com. Again, make sure you're signed in. You want to do this plus sign here to create a new class. So create class. And we're going to name it Best Paw Forward, which is our business, board and train, because that's what I have up. We don't do a ton of group classes. I'd have to look a little bit for the outline for what we do in our puppy and life skill classes. You can do your section, subject, or room. Those are not really relevant to this online thing, but if you want to use those things to be more descriptive, by all means. And I'm just going to create that classroom name. Okay, so now it's started. You'll see up here there's a class code. And if you click on that, it makes it bigger for you. So you can send that to your students. Either if you go on this People tab, we can add our students by adding their name, or we can invite them by giving them the Google Classroom link and that code. So if we give them that code, they'll go to classroom.google.com. And on that home page, just show you real quick, with this plus sign, instead of create a class, they'll join a class and enter that code in there. So we're going to click on here and come back to it. Here's our feed of things that we're doing. Here's a feed of everything that we're going to do. If we go to classwork, which is that second tab up at the top, we can create. Okay. If I hit create, I want to do material first. I could do topic. So our topic here is let's say our topic here is focus, because that's what we start off with on day one of our board and train program. So any posts that we put under focus, we can put there. I can do material, and I want to put a title for this so that they know what it is, and it would be building attention on handler and information about that. Drag and drop my classwork there. Or if I click on this add with the paperclip here, I can add a Google Drive folder, I can add a link to something, I can upload a file, or I can embed a YouTube video. So I'm going to show you how to do that so we can share videos. This is a video of Michael playing with one of our dogs. I'm going to, on YouTube, hit this share button here and copy the link and paste it in the URL tab here. It pulls up that video and hit add. So now that video is in there. I'm going to pick the topic focus. You don't have to do those things. It's just different ways of organizing. This is for that class. It's for all students, or I can select groups of students. I can either schedule or save it as a draft or post it right away. If you hit schedule, you can pick what day and time you want it to be released. So that's really great that we can build this all out and have it released day by day so that people aren't blowing through it or skipping steps or getting overwhelmed at once, or we can just do it as we're ready. So I'm going to post that. And so I can see that this topic is under that topic. And if I go back to my stream, it shows me that I posted new material and your students will get notified of that. If I go to classwork, I can go to pick various topics. I can add it to my Google Calendar. I can add it to the class drive folder. And I just click here and that'll bring me back to this main page. For classwork, I can create an assignment if I want them to do something for me specifically. So post a video of 1 minute of practice. Load your YouTube link below. And I want that to be due to me by Friday. Time is optional. We don't need to do that. We don't need that. And I can assign it to all students. So that's how I can tell them what I want them to be doing. And I'm going to go back into my stream and see that that was posted there. Now, again, this is something quick, easy, simple that we can just get up and share information. Can upload a photo here to make it a little bit more branded, or select one of their themes. I bet you they've got something. Maybe they don't. I was hoping they'd have something with pets, but it looks like they may not. But that's close enough. That's pets. So I can have it branded and make it look nice. I can make an announcement here, post, and then your class, they can add a comment so we can start conversations there. And on here, same thing, they can do comments and have information there. So there's a lot of ways to get that information out nice and quick and easy without being overwhelming for us and starting a brand new. So I have no assignments turned in. Sorry, I skipped a step there. So hopefully that's helpful. That's Google Classroom. Again, it's nothing fancy, but it is a way to get information out that's a little bit guarded. So it's not just email or anything like that to our students. It's free, it's easy to use. So hopefully that's helpful.